Get ready to elevate your salad game with this vibrant and flavorful beet salad with the arugula and goat cheese. It's perfect combination of earthy, peppery, and tangy flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Let's dive in. Start by washing your beets thoroughly, then boil them in water until they're tender and easily. Start by chopping some fresh mint and then pickled onions. Once the beets are cool enough to handle, peel off the skin and slice them into bite-sized pieces. Add the ingredients together, the beets, the mint, and the pickled onions, with some salt, pepper, olive oil, along with some balsamic vinegar. Now, it's time to add the creamy, tangy of goat cheese. Crumble it generously over the beets for a delicious contrast of texture. Finish off your salad. Simply layer them over the bed of fresh arugula, then sprinkle with pecan on top and drizzle of balsamic glaze. This will tie all the flavors together and add a delightful tanginess. There you have it, a beautiful and delicious beet salad with arugula and goat cheese. It's perfect as a light lunch, a refreshing side dish, or a stunning starter for any meal. Enjoy!